Hey guys, Lucy here. Today I want to show you guys my Halloween Village collection. I've got everything laid out here on the table for you guys, and I just wanted to show you everything because I'm really excited about it. Halloween decorations are probably my favorite. So this collection is actually Dollar Tree Tombstone Corners collection. At one point in time, you could buy these buildings and little people for each individual thing was $1, obviously, because it's from the Dollar Tree. But what they used to have were these box sets that you could buy online for a bundle price. So, for example, this particular set with all of these pieces, you could buy it for $10. And this is kind of like the graveyard. It comes with some tombstones, a scary tree, the abandoned looking building, the gazebo, and all the little figurines you see here. And then you could buy these smaller sets for $5. So this one's is the Witch's Brew. It's got the little witches building with the figurines. And then I also got this set. I think it's more or less just a haunted house. It's just a house that says keep out, and it's got the zombie in the electric chair and just the gargoyle and the scary tree. So I actually bought my sets off of eBay from an individual who was selling them, and I got this scary keep out building with the figurines. Here you can see the gargoyle, we have the Grim Reaper, we've got this scary zombie looking lady and the zombie in the electric chair. And then I also got this Witch's Brew set. I bought it off of eBay as well. So I actually bought it for a little bit more than $5 because it doesn't look like Dollar Tree is carrying these anymore. However, it is just now August of 2018. So I am going to be checking around to the local Dollar Trees in the area and see if they carry any of this stuff. I know I called one Dollar Tree and they had said that they were still selling the figurines that they'd had left over, but he wasn't sure if they were going to have the actual buildings. So I got this building too. I believe I got the bigger set off of Amazon. These are now going on Amazon for like $100. You can't buy them for $10 and $5 anymore. And then this little building in the middle with the ghosts on it, it's called the Drink Factory, and it's got the little ghosts and pumpkins. I think it goes really well with my Tombstone Corners set. It does not go with the Tombstone Corners. It's actually a building that I found in an antique shop, and I thought it would look perfect. It's missing the bottom here, but it does take batteries. When you turn it on, it lights up. It's really cute. You can see all the ghosts and stuff lighting up. So that is my Halloween Village. I'm going to be doing another video on what Dollar Tree does have, and I will update you guys and let you know if there's any available Dollar Tree figurines or buildings that might be out there. Like I said, I think they discontinued some of these sets. I'm not really sure why, because they were extremely popular and they're so cute, and I can't wait to put all this stuff out. Thank you so much for watching my video today. If this video brought you value, please just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would so appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.